Welcome students. Standard 3rd, Subject GK, Chapter 3, Important Days. In this video, I am going to tell you about some important days of India. Belongs to some great personalities. Children's Day. The birth anniversary of India's first Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru, is celebrated as Children's Day as a commemoration of his love for children. Teachers' Day. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was born on 5th September 1882. He was great educationalist who taught at University of Oxford, University of Mysore and University of Calcutta. He was well-known diplomat, scholar and President of India. The first Teachers' Day was observed in the year 1962. The birth anniversary of Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan is celebrated as Teachers' Day. Gandhi Jayanti. 2nd October is a birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. The United Nations General Assembly announced on 15 June 2007 that is adopted a resolution which declared that October 2 will be celebrated as the International Day of Non-Violence. 15 जून 2007 को यूनाइटेड नेशंस की जनरल असेंबली में डिसाइड हुआ कि अब से 2 अक्टूबर को अंतर्राष्ट्रीय अहिंसा दिन के रूप में मनाया जाएगा. It is celebrated as a national holiday of India. Sports Day. Hockey wizard Major Dhyan Chand was born on 29th August 1905. His birthday is celebrated as Sports Day in India. He was an Indian field hockey player who is widely considered as the greatest field hockey player of all time. National sports awards like the Arjun Award, Khel Ratna Award, etc. are given on this occasion. National Youth Day. Youth icon Swami Vivekananda is regarded as a patriotic saint and his birthday is celebrated as National Youth Day in India. If we are talking about some important dates, then how can we forget our Independence Day, our Republic Day, isn't it? So, Independence Day is celebrated on 15 August to commemorate the independence from British rule on 15 August 1947. 15 August is also celebrated as National Holiday of India. Independence Day means जब ब्रिटिश के राज से हमें आज़ादी मिली थी वो दिन है. 15 अगस्त 1947 को हमें ब्रिटिश रूल से इंडिपेंडेंस मिली थी. रिपब्लिक डे. 26 January, the date on which the Constitution of India come into force. 26 January 1950, replacing the Government of India Act 1935 as the governing document of India. Do you know what is Constitution? Constitution means a big book which contains rules and regulations for or of us. Constitution एक ऐसी बुक है जिसमें हमारे लिए जो हमारे रूल्स और रेगुलेशन होते हैं हमें फॉलो करने के लिए या फिर हमारे लिए जो होते हैं वो उसमें लिखे होते हैं. सेम एज जैसे हमारे स्कूल डायरी में रूल्स और रेगुलेशंस कैसे होते हैं जो हमें स्कूल के लिए फॉलो करने होते हैं, बिल्कुल वैसे ही. 26 January is also celebrated as a national holiday of India. Students, we have already learned about some important days of India. Now move to the textbook chapter 3, important days. Look at the pictures. What do you see these? Of course, you can guess the days being celebrated. Now answer a few simple questions about this day. You can see here a teacher and children. So, this Teachers' Day celebration, isn't it? So, Teachers' Day. First, when is Teachers' Day celebrated? When is Teachers' Day celebrated? A. 4th September, B. 5th September, sorry, 5th August, and C, 5th September. So the right answer is 5th September. So tick right here. Second, whom do we honor on this day? हम इस दिन पे किसको मान देते हैं, किसके लिए सेलिब्रेटेड होता है? A, our teachers, B, our parents, C, our neighbors. So the right answer is our teachers. Third, whose birthday is celebrated as Teachers Day? किसका बर्थडे है जो वो टीचर्स डे के एज अ टीचर्स डे सेलिब्रेटेड होता है? ए, डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम, बी, डॉक्टर बोस, सी, डॉक्टर S राधाकृष्णन यानी सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन, S फॉर सर्वपल्ली. सो द राइट आंसर is C, as Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. So tick right here. Fourth, why is his birthday celebrated as Teachers Day? सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन का बर्थडे टीचर्स डे के रूप में क्यों सेलिब्रेटेड किया जाता था? ए, he wanted to honor teachers, B, he was a teacher, and C, both A and B. ए में है he wanted to honor teachers यानी वो टीचर्स को मान देना चाहते थे. सेकंड, ही वॉज अ टीचर, वो टीचर थे. एंड सी, बोथ ए एंड बी. तो इसमें ए एंड बी बोथ आंसर जो है वो राइट है, तो हम यहाँ पे भी दोनों टिक मार्क कर सकते हैं. अदरवाइज ये जो है यहाँ पे वन जगह पे टिक मार्क करें वो सही है. सो सी, बोथ ए एंड बी राइट आंसर. चिल्ड्रंस डे, यू कैन सी हियर द इमेज ऑफ पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू एंड children. So Children's Day. Fifth, when is Children's Day celebrated? Children's Day कब सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है? 15th नवंबर, 16th नवंबर और 14th नवंबर. The right answer is 14 November. So tick right here. 6, who are made to feel important on this day? किसको ये दिन पे किसको खुद का इम्पोर्टेंस लगता है ज़्यादा? A, friends, B, children, C, parents. So Children's Day is belong to children obviously, isn't it? So children is right answer. 7, whose birthday is celebrated as Children's Day? किसका बर्थडे जो वो चिल्ड्रंस डे के रूप में सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है? पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू, P and T means पंडित, पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू, B, डॉक्टर S राधाकृष्णन यानी सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन, and C, अमिताभ बच्चन. So Children's Day is belongs to Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The right answer is A. 8, why is his birthday celebrated as Children's Day? इसका बर्थडे चिल्ड्रंस डे के रूप में क्यों सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है? So A, children loved him, B, he loved children, C, both A and B. क्योंकि चिल्ड्रन फर्स्ट में जो है चिल्ड्रन लव्ड हिम यानी चिल्ड्रन उसको पसंद करते थे. बी, ही लव्ड चिल्ड्रन, वो पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू भी चिल्ड्रन को बच्चों को ज़्यादा पसंद करते थे. तो राइट आंसर इज सी, बोथ ए एंड बी, ये दोनों सही हैं. तो राइट आंसर सी. रियल लाइफ, it is a great joy to show our affection and respect to people whom we love and respect. जिसको हम पसंद करते हैं, जिसको हम चाहते हैं, उसको हम रिस्पेक्ट देना, वो एक अफेक्शन फॉर अस है ना. इट्स ग्रेट जॉय फॉर अस. सो चिल्ड्रन, सो टीचर्स डे एंड चिल्ड्रंस डे. Our chapter 3 contains Teachers Day and Children's Day, but we have already seen about some important days of India also. Okay, thank you everyone.